These chicken was marinated for about 2 days and then cooked to perfection. Let's show you how to marinate these lovely chicken, then cook them to perfection, or you can put them straight in the oven. My choice today. Welcome everyone to Linden Houston Cooking. If you are new here, my name is Linden and welcome to the channel. And thanks for stopping by and thanks for the visit. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. It's going to be putting them straight in the oven. So inside I have the chicken, and what I do is separate them like this and cut the thigh different from the leg. All that is personal preference. Now I'm going to take a different approach by marinating it and show you how I do mine. This is personal preference. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the wet to this. So what I have here is some jerk season which I made up off camera for myself. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this all over in it. Once you get it wet, then the dry season will able to stuck onto this. So that's how I'm going to do. Inside this bowl here, I have some all-purpose which I made up. It's called Linden all-purpose. You want to learn to make this? There's a list in my channel how to make your own all-purpose. So the video is inside there. So just search in my channel list and you'll find out how to make your own all-purpose. So with this is all set and ready to go. So once you leave it to set, this, cover it and leave it for probably about 1.5 to 2 days, and then you're going to realize it's get a little bit darker once the season reduced and sucked into it. And I'm going to show you what it looked like after seasoning up, just ready to go in the oven. Now this is what it looked like. So I put them in a tray. So this is going to go straight in the oven. So with my chicken, I've just stayed them out the oven. What I'm going to do, I'm just giving them a little bit of turn, especially the leg meat. Just give him a bit of turn. Very important. And I'm going to turn this a little bit also. After that, we're going to put him back straight in the oven. So now I take this out of the oven and I'm going to turn. And this is the last turn I'm going to give it. Next, I have some sauce which I make here. I have some jerk sauce which I make here. So I'm just going to put some over this. Just going to sprinkle some over this just to keep it moist and nice. That's all personal preference. Look at that. I'm going to put him back straight in the oven now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we're all waiting for. Our lovely and delicious chicken just come out of the oven. Just look on this. Take a good look. The color. Look at this. The juice is running out of that. Unbelievable. If you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. I'm telling you, look at this. I'm telling you, I want to start eating this now, but it's too hot. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.